Hello and welcome. My name is Santiago. I have more than 20 years business experience, of which I spent many of it working for analytics functions. I am here today to introduce you to the GIDAR Analytics framework. Did you know that still today in 2021, many of the data missions and projects fail? That is why I created GIDAR, to help people have a great business impact using data and analysis. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand the principles of the GIDAR Analytics framework. You'll be also able to establish powerful analytics and business goals. And you'll be confident using the GIDAR Analytics Canvas, which is the main tool of the analytics framework. This is a hands-on course. There will be several assignments, and you will need to submit a final document, a final GIDAR Analytics Canvas, to be able to obtain the certificate. For that, we will use a sample of data from an imaginary company called Jumpy Shoes that we will use in all the modules and exercises. There are more resources about GIDAR in the website gidar.org. I am very happy that you have enrolled into this course. I'm sure it will be a tremendous boost to your career and add a lot of value to your company. So enjoy the course.